Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about best free Windows 11 hidden features. Change default browser. First, go to your start button, click on the right mouse button and then go for settings, click on settings. You can also open settings by simply click on Windows plus I. Okay, so next for changing default browser, we need to click apps, then click default apps, then select your browser. Like here, I'm going to choose Opera GX Table as my default browser. For that, I'm going to click on it. And as you can see, there is an option called Make Opera GX Table your default browser. If you just select Set Default and boom, as your default browser, Opera GX Table is saved. The second hidden feature is Enable Dark Mode. Using dark mode can save your laptop battery life. But if you have PC, then enabling dark mode can relieve your eyes. Also, it looks beautiful and improve your focus while working on PC. For that reason, we need to go for personalization, then go for colors, and here you will find a drop-down menu. Choose your mode, click on light and check dark. Boom. Next hidden feature, the start button location. As we are using Windows 11, the default start menu location is in the center, but some people like to moving it left as traditional. For that, right-click on the empty space on your taskbar, then click on Taskbar Settings, and then you will get the option called Taskbar Behaviors. Click on that. After Taskbar Alignment option, you will get a drop-down menu. Click on it and check it as left. And now if you look at it, now as you can see, your start menu location set it into the left side as traditional one. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.